Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a super useful tool that every developer should know about, GitHub Copilot. Think of it as your AI-powered coding buddy. It helps you write code faster, suggests smart completion while you type, and can even write unit tests for you. Sounds like magic, right? But here is the twist. We are not just using Copilot for coding, we are going to use it to write test cases as well. First things first, setup. If you haven't installed GitHub Copilot yet, no worries. Just head to your extension tool in Visual Studio Code, search for GitHub Copilot, hit install, and sign in with your GitHub account. That's it, you're all set. Now, for today's example, we are going to build a simple method called isPalindrome. It's a classic example. Given a string, we check if it reads the same forward and backward. Here, as you can see, I already had a class palindrome. In this class, I'm planning to write the method called isPalindrome. And as you can see, I'm just adding the access modifier, and I already got the suggestion of method as well as with the logic. To accept the suggestion from Copilot, I'm going to press tab, and my method is already ready with the name with the whole logic. And this whole thing happened because my naming convention of the class is very understandable for AI tool. It knows that I'm trying to verify palindrome because my class name is palindrome. And I already got the great suggestion here. I also want to verify that does this really work as it should? So in program.cs, I'm just going to add a simple method call to verify a string called abcba just to see is it palindrome or not. So I'm going to run this code and verify. And as you can see, the value is returned true. It means the given string is palindrome. Now, let's do a small change in this method, which is on purpose I'm messing up the method because I want to show you how GitHub can also help us to fix the code. So here, instead of write minus minus, I'm changing it from write plus plus. And if you verify from here, it will throw an error. So how do we identify the issue, or if there is any bug there, how do we fix it? So what we should do is, on the method name, mouse over, it will show you a light bulb sign. Click on that small arrow, and you will get an option of Fix with Copilot. Click on it. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds, and then it will give you some suggestions. Now, as you can see, it suggested me 2 things. One, change from write plus plus to write minus minus, and second, change the name of my method from small I to capital I, as well as add static modifier in it. So in this case, I want to accept the change from write plus plus to write minus minus, so I will click on tab. And now, I don't want to accept the change of adding static in the name because I want to call this method from program.cs by using the object of the class. So to discard this suggestion, I'm going to press on Alt Delete, and it discarded the suggestion. So this is how basically you can also use Copilot to write logic as well as to fix the logic. Now, third suggestion or third use case is in terms of Copilot. Basically, you can use Copilot to write test cases as well for this method or for any method you have in the class. And in this case, I'm going to show you GitHub Copilot checked. So what I did in this chat is, I went in it, I asked write unit test cases for all the methods in this particular solution. And as you can see, it suggested me all possible solutions, all possible test cases for this method. Let me just copy paste and add it here in the palindrome test class. So as you can see, it has many different varieties of test cases. First, just blank string, then simple A, then actual palindrome, then mixed letters, mixed cases, as well as different symbols, different comma, punctual sign, as well, etc. And it has digits and every single possible combinations in terms of verifying the method. So this is really best way to use GitHub Copilot, where you speed up your work, not just in terms of writing logic, but in terms of writing unit test cases too. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like this video, please click on like in this YouTube channel. Bye.